Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have the cheapest hair and beard trimmer, only 12 euros. Let's find out more about this product from Silvercrest. It is 5-in-1 with attachment to cut, clip, contour, trim and shave. Precision ground stainless steel cutting head for optimal precision and durability. Comb attachment with 1 to 10 mm adjustable dial. Battery life more or less 60 minutes. Brief charging time 5 minutes. With a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box and find out more about this product. And of course, included at the box we have the manual. So many accessories. Wow, I like it. It is small. And we have in this lovely bag. You can have all this at this bag. Have it with you when you are traveling, and you can use it anywhere at any time because it is portable, battery powered, with so many accessories again. Now let's see one by one what we have at the box. Scissor. And I can feel it is very sharp. Oh yes. Hair comb. Oil for lubrication. Blade oil. Brush for cleaning the head, the stainless steel head. The cable. Type A to Type C, I like Type C for charging this bird hair trimmer. Ears and nose attachment. Precision cutting head. Shaving head with spring-loaded blade to style contour. You can press these two buttons, release, you can clean it, use this brush. And reinstall again, just press and it locks. The bird trimmer head with comb attachment, adjustable length 3, 4, 5 and 6 mm. Three, 4, 5 and 6 mm. There it is. And pre-install it, we have the comb attachment with 1 to 10 mm adjustable dial. Nice. Pull that, release. And you can install one of these comb, 4 comb. It is 3 mm. Press and it locks. Or you can install the 6 mm, the 9 mm, and the larger, the 12 mm. Type C. Let's give it a charge. It's charging. We can see the icon, red plug. You can charge it from a 5-volt power adapter, power bank, even from your laptop, desktop. You need a 5-volt input. Nice. Let's turn it on. We have the button here. We can see the battery. And off. And we have the adjustment for the blade. Two and one position. So easy to adjust with this switch. And you can just pull, remove and clean it with a brush. Reinstall again and use any other attachment for ear and nose. You don't need this switch for this attachment, only on off. Nope, it's not doing anything. On off only. Pull and remove. Install first at the back and press and it locks. And then you can use this adjustable length 3, 4, 5 and 6 millimeter. And off. 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull again. So many accessories, wow! And only cost 12 euros. Or if you want, you can use the combo attachment with a dial from 1 to 10. Of course, we need the right stainless steel inlet. There it is. Then install that. Very easy to use all the accessories. So let's test it and see how it works. Wow, nice! Nice clean cut. I like it. And of course you can adjust more the length of the blade and cut deeper. Oh yes, now we are talking. Even for a body trimmer is doing very good job. The result is amazing. Very smooth hand. In the past I have made many videos for hair and beard trimmer. You can check right in the corner after the end of this video. So I'm not going into deeper details for any of these attachments. In my opinion, after 5 to 6 times that I have used it is working well for cutting a little bit of my hair or beard trimmer. It is value of money, personal care, hair and beard trimmer with many accessories. Only 12 euros. The price is amazing. So, no second thoughts, just buy it, use it and enjoy your new haircut, your beard trimming, body trimming, ear, nose trimming, whatever you want. I like it. Thumbs up. And let's make another test. Nice! Now it will be more smooth. It doesn't get more smoother. And again, only 12 euros, my viewers. Wow! It is so smooth. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.